Hi guys, it's reaction time. We got The Fuse and Old Dog. Before I get onto that reaction, a massive thank you to Transatlantic Radio. Look at that, man. What a great t-shirt they sent me in the post this week. The new album, Midnight Transmission, is out now. Transatlantic Radio are a Swedish AOR melodic rock band. The album's available everywhere now, guys. It's brilliant. Make sure you check it out. Thanks to the band for sending me this t-shirt. Okay, The Fuse. David Leitch give me a heads up on this one. And it says below the video, Old Dog is the first single from the upcoming debut album In Posterity by Norwegian metal band The Fuse. It says, blending heavy riffs, melodic hooks and a raw vocal performance, the track captures the band's approach to modern heavy rock, classic metal energy, played loud and honest. In a world of shortcuts and artificial polish, we chose to do it the old school way. Real instruments, real band, real attitude. Fuck yes. Fuck yes, man. I use AI at work because it helps at work, supports me at work and stuff like that. When I'm a manager at work, I can use AI and it's handy. In music, man, no, fuck no. We don't need that shit. We don't need that shit, and I will never, unless I do it by mistake, cover AI in music, unless I don't know, because there is a chance. Because obviously people are saying it's getting better and it's, AI, you can't tell. And I can sort of tell. I can tell with one listen, really. And then you start to look into things and you can tell. You can find out. And sometimes it's gutting because you think you heard something that sounds pretty decent and then you find it's AI and you think, fuck off. Just leave it alone. But man, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. And some people ain't got a problem with it. I have. Your own choice, innit? But all the time the bands are struggling to make a living. It's bad enough with fucking Spotify and all the fucking streaming services. Then they have to put up with this shit with AI. So I urge any rock and metal fans to fuck that off, because the real shit, this is the real shit and it matters. So, The Fuse. That's got me, I have to have one rant a day, obviously. The Fuse, Old Dog. Here we go. Can't wait to hear this.
Hold my fellow man, let's fight to the end.
man, it's fucking brilliant. It's got so much energy to this song, and it's raw energy. Just like I think the band might have said, it really captures raw, energetic, heavy metal music. Oh man, his vocals, I fucking love them, man, and it really suits, doesn't it? That sort of growl, it really gives it that energy even more. I mean, they've got sort of, you know, some influence there, maybe Corrosion of Conformity, Down, that sort of, like, really cool. I love both of them bands. So that, it really, really hones in on that, especially Down, I would say. That real energy and heavy metal, sort of almost verging on stoner, sort of sludgy, a little bit sludgy. It's fucking excellent, man. Oh, yes. Fuck yes. That's a real fuck you to AI music, innit? It really is. That's how it feels. And I think reading that at the beginning made me feel more that way. And the aggression that goes with it is like, yeah, that's fucking brilliant, man. Oh, this is a fucking heavy metal masterclass, isn't it? I mean, this has got that fucking, yeah. Oh, I can't get enough of it. It's brilliant. Here we go for the rest. My neck's fucked. Relentless, man. Relentless brilliance there. Oh, man. I fucking love that song. I love the way it died down and then built up. And it got the fucking momentum going and it went back into the song. And it was excellent. It was fucking excellent. Brilliant suggestion by Dave Leach there, man. Superb stuff. Absolutely brilliant. The Fuse, Old Dog. Are we going to get an album? I can't remember if I fucking said anything at the beginning of the video. The first single from the upcoming debut album. Debut album, by the way. I can't wait for that, man. I can't wait. There is no date yet, but fuck me, man. That's on my radar. Just give a shout out to everyone, man, in that song. That's Sergard Olesen on vocals, Axel Harlow on the guitar, Ol Sinstabo on the guitar, Eric Medby on the bass, and Erund Sundal Clausen on the drums. An amazing band, an amazing song. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, guys. See you soon.